Welcome to this very short video about ActionScript. I'm going to show you the ActionScript's timeline evolution. In the 2000 year appears the first version of ActionScript into Micromedia Flash 5. In this version, you can use very basic functions like play and stop videos, and other basic functions like redirect to other pages. ActionScript was growing up, and in 2006 appears ActionScript 2. In this new version appears object-oriented programming. And this version you can use classes and structures, and that allowed to develop the first application based on Flash. I remember in these years I was studying at high school, and Flash animation was very popular. In 2006, there's ActionScript 3. Macromedia includes in this new version a new structure of this language, and also include a new rich environment in which you could build Flash application with object-oriented programming, application in Flash for mobiles and for web application also. In the present year, 2018, ActionScript 3 and Flash is still in use, but the future is that all application and designs will must develop into HTML5 and JavaScript. Well, I hope you enjoyed this very short video, and thank you for your time.